This is an Allen 2-drawer. It's a nightstand that you put next to your bed, living room, wherever you need to have some drawers and a top table. We're going to open up, show you how to build it and what it's all about. Open your box, nicely packed. Make sure you take everything out, put to the side. Assembly is required with the Allen 2-drawer side table, and we have instructions to go over parts and material and all. We're going to assemble it. Everything is laid out, numbered. Let's get started. Step 1, D, K, 2, 3, looking at CL, CR with the Phillips screwdriver locked down to the first holes. Where my thumb is at, you'll see the lettering CL and the first hole. Repeat for number 3, first hole. The angle is correct. This little dip locks in your shelf. This is the norm. Step 1 completed. Continue to step 2. 1 is the board. A and B are together in the package, and F is your dowel. These are the nuts. These are the bolts, and they set in like so, and they lock into place. Dowels go on the large holes inside. The bolts go on the outer holes, screwing down. The nuts face open to the outside with the arrow pointing over here to the hole. Match up the holes. Lock down. Tighten up. 1/4 turn. The Allen key tool will fit in and will tighten up. Step 3 is completed. Proceed to step 4 by placing on the backboard number 5. Backboard number 5. Slide into the existing hole. Slot in the back. Lock in. Step 3 completed. Proceed to step 4 with parts C, F, and number 4. 4 of C, 4 of F, and 1 number 4. You're going to have 1 leftover F, and you're going to put in the dowels into the appropriate holes. This is the right side that goes down. Everything will lock into place when put on correctly. Remove the product to the side and continue with step 5. With the tool E, 6 bolts of J, 2 13s of 14, a 12 and 14. You're going to correctly install, laid out on the table as we install each of the parts. With the holes all facing up, everything secured, tightened down. Step 5 is completed. Proceed to step 6 by installing I with the tool E to the main base we built. We're going to now place on with the opening to the opening and tighten down. With step 6 completed, we'll proceed to step 7. We've moved the box off the table. On step 7, you have G and H, which is the handle, to number 10 and 11. And you have parts 6, 7, and 8 with 4 screws of each of C. And we're simply going to just put to the side like so and start to match up and put things together. Seven is completed. We go right to part number 8 with rest of 8 and B and the bottom of 9. Placing the nuts facing correctly. Repeat for all other 7. Take the AB and lock them down on the front face of the drawer. With the board, number 9, make sure you put them in the correct way. Slide in, lock into place. Repeat for the other side. Place on top, match the holes. Take a screwdriver or the tool, lock down each of the nut. Step 8 is now completed. Proceed to step 9, which is putting on number D's with all the screws and the DL brackets, and pay attention to the way they go. DR, DL, DR, DL. Screw down on the 3rd hole. We're left over with some screws. Put them away. Completed with step 9. The last step is put everything together. And we're done. Simply lift the drawer, place on, whale over whale, slide in, lock in. We are now fully completed. Remove all the stickers that are on the unit, like so. Make sure the drawers go in correctly. They will seat 100% on. And there's your nightstand built. Check online for further details about the colors and designs of the product. The Allen 2 drawer, it has a summery look fabric on the front that is protected on the back, solid with a goldish color knob, and a nice depth of drawer that you could place your items nice and tall inside, on top and bottom. And the top, you could place your clock, your remotes, whatnot. It's not just for a bedroom set. It could be anywhere. It's just not a nightstand table. It could be used for just about anything imaginable. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for.